What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a quick guess what's in the box video. This box just randomly showed up. It doesn't have an address on it other than mine. I don't know who sent it, but we're going to do a quick guess what's in the box video, and then we'll unbox it in the next video. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, like I said in the intro, I actually got this box I think 4 or so days ago. Today is February 16th. It's a Wednesday, 2022. I believe I received this on Friday or Saturday sometime. It's just been sitting in the cart. I have no idea who sent it. It just has my name, my address, and a bunch of tracking numbers. It doesn't say who it belongs to, and there's no way for me to send it back because it has no return address on it. So I have no idea who sent it, but so this box is 8 1/4 inches wide by 11 inches long, and it is 6 inches deep. Yep, 6 inches deep exactly. What do you guys think is in it? It's obviously got some kind of lithium batteries in it because it says UN3480, which would be a lithium battery warning. It says lithium ion batteries forbidden for transport of passenger aircraft on here as well. So it's something. It's got to be something electronic. You guys let me know what you think it is down below. Also, you know, getting some stuff cleaned up. I still got this mess, and it's not really a mess, it's just this stuff needs to be put in the burn pile, and then I need to clean all the junk out of these bowls. These are the bowls I use for washing my vehicles, and then I got, you know, jugs of Rain-X, and this stuff I need to probably put it in the barn. This is all the old parts I need to put in the barn. I did get this room a little bit cleaner. So that giant box that was sitting here, it had a bunch of DeWalt boxes and stuff in it that's gone. I need to start cleaning this up. This is actually shade cloth, what my wife got. It's a 150 foot, 6 foot wide spool. 6 foot wide. I think it's folded, because this is only like 3 feet, so I'm sure it's folded and then wrapped. She bought that for the shade cloth awning project. Got this section cleaned a little bit more. I need to put these out in the barn as well. The spindles right here, and then this is actually seeds from the basil plants. I'm pretty sure these are the basil plants. And then my wife's gonna do a video on all the harvest that she's done. She's got a bunch of bowls here with a bunch of different things. There's a bunch of peppers right here drying. Pretty long string of peppers. Dill. She's got a bunch of stuff in the freezer that she put in the freezer because she didn't want it to go bad. Big, huge large Ziploc bags, like freezer bags worth. So she'll probably be doing videos on that. I'm not sure what this is. This is something my wife ordered, probably Wheel Warehouse. Has her name on it. I think the last time I saw a box like this that had food in it, she was ordering Japanese food. Another quick update for you guys. We got 2 trees from a neighbor. These were actually planted in their yard, but they don't like lemons or limes. I'm not sure which one is which. They both look identical, to be honest. I do know one produces lemons, one produces limes. The gentleman that bought the house didn't want them, and we ended up, it actually rained most of the morning, but so we got these planted. This one did start curling. It didn't like some of the shock. Hopefully it comes out of it. This one has got a bunch of little buds on it, so it's already trying to produce lemons or limes or whatever it is. There is a ton of them on here. There's probably a good 100. Here's some flowers there. There's a bundle of their fruit here and here. So it's got a bunch. So maybe this one took a little bit more kindly to the transplant because it didn't have any of these flowers yesterday. Now it's got flowers all over it. So, you know, it's got what looks like the start of little limes or little lemons, whatever they are. This is the pile of dirt that was removed from those holes. These bricks have always been in the yard. These 2 little circles have always been here. Just, they used to have trees in them. The trees died, you know. But want to give you guys that as an update. Still need to pick up. This is my wife's compost pile. Pretty large compost pile. Still need to pick up 4 more of these 12-footer 4x4s. I had to make sure that we didn't need permits to do this, the 6 10-foot tall, you know, or 12-foot tall, 2 feet into the ground, so they'd be 10 feet when we were done. I got this hole dug. I put this over here so cover it so animals and stuff don't fall in it. It's 2 feet deep, but I wanted to make sure we didn't need permits to put this structure up. And it's just 6 4x4s, 10 feet tall, the height of the roof, against the fence line, and then we're gonna trim that tree right here, just trim a little bit off of it, and then run shade cloth from this structure to the roof, and that's it. But you know, wanted to make sure I didn't need permits for it. My wife's garden, she has a bunch of these as well. It's like, I'm not sure what kind of berries they are, but they're some kind of like berry of some kind. I think boysenberries or something. But this produces berries like constantly. It's gotten pretty big. That Xeon flower has gotten extremely large. It was only this big right here when he started. Now it's this whole area. Here is a snapdragon right here. These are what's left of some of the it's similar to basil, but it wasn't basil. Don't remember what my wife called them, but they didn't survive the cold. These are what the pepper plants look like now. They're not doing very well, and I think it's because of the cold. We dropped to like 4 or 5 degrees a couple weeks ago randomly, and I think that's the issue. These are broccoli, and they're not producing usable broccoli because of the temperature swings, and they bolted on us. But so there isn't a lot here. The watermelons are gone. A bunch of other things are gone. I grabbed a product for my wife to dust all of these things because they were being eaten by aphids. Here's the roses, which they have seed pods now. So there's this one. This one actually needs to be cut off. Oh. Looks like this one's cracking. And then this one over here. They're still alive, still somewhat healthy. Check out the leaves on that though, that's pretty neat. And it fell off. This is really interesting. This one died a long time ago. I was hoping it would come back, but... And then she's got some of her other peppers, her small peppers, the ones that are hanging in the kitchen. That's these guys right here, which is just the peppers that you use for pizzas and stuff like that. And then she's got some other stuff over here. So here's another basil plant. Here's a basil plant that is alive. That's what they look like when they start seeding. So I brought those other ones in the house. So oh, look at that, they're potato. Interesting. But wife's got some. Well, here's another one. But my wife's gotten quite a bit of harvest. Here's, you know, basil, or not basil, but rosemary and thyme and stuff over here. Chocolate mint. But just figuring to give you guys a quick update on this video. I don't remember what they're called, but these peppers right here, you leave them out to dry and you chop them up. But that's those plants in the back corner. But you know, let me know what you guys think this is down below. I have no idea what it is. I do appreciate y'all stopping by though. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!